Sana is 100% integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365. Therefore, a part of Sana is installed inside it. When the Sana add-on is installed into Microsoft Dynamics 365, it is necessary to set up the Sana Web Store. To make it easier for you to perform the initial setup of the Sana Web Store in Microsoft Dynamics 365, we implemented the Sana Commerce Startup Wizard. You can go through this wizard, create and configure your web store and all the main settings which are required to start using the Sana Web Store. Creating and configuring the web store is also required to establish connection between Sana and Microsoft Dynamics 365 and to start using its data and business logic in Sana. Each step of the wizard has a short description which can help you to set up all settings, and you can find the detailed information about all settings presented in the wizard on the Sana help site. The Sana Commerce Startup Wizard is the easiest way to set up the main settings of the Sana Web Store right after the Sana add-on is installed inside Microsoft Dynamics 365. But you can also configure and change any settings which are presented in the wizard separately using different tables. For example, here you can create the web store and configure it. When you create the web store using the wizard, it will automatically appear here.